Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to charge your phone using your soundbar JBL. All you need to have to do in it is just USB-A to USB-C cable, but if your phone didn't support USB-C, maybe you should have USB-A to Lightning or even USB-A to micro USB. So right here at the back of soundbar we have USB-A port. Connect USB-A cable to the port and USB-C cable to your phone. And right now it should starting, and we can see it. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.